Hello, my friends. Today, we embark on an insightful journey to explore the largest sweet potato farms in the U.S. state of North Carolina. This state is renowned for its extensive sweet potato production, making it a significant player in the agricultural industry. From the initial stages of cultivation to the final processes of harvesting and packaging, we'll delve into the meticulous and labor-intensive journey of sweet potatoes. April to May marks the beginning of the sweet potato planting season in North Carolina. During this period, sweet potato seedlings are carefully collected and transferred to the fields, where they start their journey towards maturity. The planting process is a critical phase that requires precision and dedication from farmers. Every year, approximately 4,000 workers travel to sweet potato farms in the United States to assist in this labor-intensive process. We observed the meticulous process of transplanting seedlings into the fields, a task performed with precision and care. The farmers explained how they ensure each seedling is planted at the optimal depth and spacing to promote healthy growth. This attention to detail is crucial for achieving a successful harvest. The farm also showcased its commitment to sustainability and innovation. Advanced irrigation systems, pest management practices, and soil health initiatives were all part of the farm's efforts to ensure a sustainable and productive future. By adopting these practices, the farm aims to reduce its environmental impact while maintaining high levels of productivity. Innovations such as drip irrigation help conserve water by delivering it directly to the plant roots, reducing wastage. Integrated pest management strategies minimize the use of chemical pesticides, promoting a healthier environment. These practices not only benefit the crops, but also contribute to the overall well-being of the ecosystem. Currently, the United States boasts around 152,000 acres of land dedicated to sweet potato production, with North Carolina leading the charge. In 2023, North Carolina alone accounted for approximately 108,000 acres, significantly surpassing the combined acreage of California, Louisiana, and Mississippi by 33,000 acres. Sweet potato plants thrive in well-drained sand of 5.8 to 6.2. The fields are carefully prepared before planting, often involving soil tests and amendments to optimize the growing conditions. Farmers utilize crop rotation practices to maintain soil health and prevent the buildup of pests and diseases. These practices contribute to sustainable farming and ensure the long-term productivity of the land. The time from planting to harvesting sweet potatoes spans about 120 days. During this period, the seedlings grow into mature plants, ready for harvest. This phase requires constant care and monitoring to ensure that the crops receive adequate water, nutrients, and protection from pests. The dedication of the farmers and workers is crucial as they work tirelessly to ensure a bountiful harvest. The sweet potato harvest in the United States typically takes place from mid-August until October. After 3 months of nurturing, the fields are ready for harvest. Modern machinery is employed to aid in the harvesting process, making it more efficient and less labor-intensive. These machines carefully dig into the soil to unearth the sweet potatoes. Modern machinery plays an essential role in the harvesting process. These machines efficiently vacuum up large quantities of sweet potatoes and load them into adjacent trucks, ready for transportation to processing facilities. According to the United States Department of Agriculture, in 2023, the average wage for operators of these harvesting machines was approximately $18 per hour, reflecting the complexity and precision required in this line of work. Once harvested, thousands of tons of sweet potatoes are transported to factories for processing and packaging. At these facilities, the sweet potatoes undergo a thorough cleaning process to remove any dirt and impurities. In these processing plants, technology plays a vital role. Automated sorting machines ensure that only the best quality sweet potatoes are selected for packaging. These machines use sensors to detect color, ensuring uniformity in the packaged products. The packaged sweet potatoes are then stored in climate-controlled warehouses to maintain their freshness until they reach consumers. A significant portion of the sweet potato harvest is destined for export, reaching international markets where sweet potatoes are in high demand. The careful processing and packaging ensure that the sweet potatoes meet the quality standards required for export, allowing North Carolina to share its bountiful harvest with consumers worldwide. Countries across Europe and Asia are some of the primary importers of U.S. sweet potatoes. The high nutritional value and unique flavor of sweet potatoes, national appreciation, leading to increased demand. This global reach not only boosts the economy, but also enhances the reputation of North Carolina as a leading agricultural state. The sweet potato industry in North Carolina and the broader United States is a substantial contributor to the agricultural economy. In 2023, the United States produced approximately 1.8 million tons of sweet potatoes, generating a revenue of around $710 million. This impressive figure underscores the importance of sweet potatoes as a valuable crop, both domestically and internationally. The economic impact extends beyond the farms and processing plants. The transportation sector benefits from the logistics involved in moving sweet potatoes from farms to markets. Additionally, the retail sector sees significant activity as these nutritious and versatile vegetables make their way to grocery stores and restaurants. The ripple effect of the sweet potato industry highlights its role in supporting various aspects of the economy. Our journey to the largest sweet potato farms in North Carolina has been an eye-opening experience, highlighting the intricate processes involved in cultivating, harvesting, and processing this vital crop. The dedication of the farmers and workers, combined with innovative practices and a focus on sustainability, ensures that North Carolina remains a leader in sweet potato production. By exploring the largest sweet potato farms, we gain a deeper understanding of the agricultural practices that sustain us and the efforts required to bring food to our tables. The story of sweet potatoes in North Carolina is a testament to agricultural excellence and the enduring spirit of the farming community. Would you like to learn more about the fascinating world of plum cultivation? Stay tuned for more videos that delve deeper into the various aspects of farming and the agricultural industry. Thank you for watching.